helps to separate the debris, but then you have a mixture of oil, water, and debris. Filtration will not help you in separating oil and water. And that's where the separating funnel comes in, or decantation. And I did not give the mark for a bonus because there was only one answer mentioned and not two. Okay, and sand would involve dissolving and filtration. The chalk from sand will involve sedimentation, decantation, or sieving. And then salt from water will use evaporation. Now, I noticed that Matadevi, you rang your buzzer even before Ultimate Academy had exhausted their time for a main question. Please, we want a fair competition, and so you wait for them to fully exhaust their time before you ring your bell for a bonus question. If you do that again, we will have to disqualify you from answering the bonus question. You allow the time to fully elapse, the bell will ring, then you can ring your buzzer to answer it as a bonus question. Thank you so much. Matadevi Basic School, your main question. A factory produces a mixture of copper filings, zinc powder, and sand.
Magnetic separation. Filtration.
Available as a bonus. Unity JHS.
Magnetization process, filtration, and sieving.
No, I will not give you the mark. And so I'll come to Matadevi and give you 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3 to Matadevi Basic School. So magnetic separation, if it's magnetic, dissolving in acid plus filtration, that is for the sand, and then evaporation of the solution for the zinc. Question number 2, you have 15 seconds to answer this question. I start with you, Ultimate Academy. Name the most abundant polysaccharide in nature that has more than 2 sugars. Maybe for a bonus.
Cellulose.
That is correct for 1 point. Matadevi School, Basic School, your main question. Name the most abundant disaccharide in nature.
Sucrose.
Correct for 3 points. Unity JHS. Name the second most abundant monosaccharide in nature.
Maltose.
That is not correct. You have 1 more attempt. Devi for a bonus.
Galactose.
That is not correct. The correct answer is fructose. Fructose. Question number 3. This is a preamble to all schools. Define the following types of cell references in a spreadsheet application and give an example. Matadevi Basic School. Absolute cell reference.
In absolute cell reference, the cell is given a specific value in which the cell will be denoted by a $sign S with a slash in it. So it gives,
Go on.
so it allows it to assign only a specific range of values for the cell, so that only that specific range of value can be entered into that particular cell.
I will not give you the mark for a bonus. I'll give you 1 out of 3, Mata Devi. 1 out of 3 for your effort, Lois. So a cell reference that remains constant no matter where the formula is copied. And an example is to put the cell reference in the dollar sign. So we have dollar sign, maybe if it's cell A1, dollar sign A, dollar sign 1. And so 1 for giving a correct instance or a correct example. Okay, Unity JHS, relative cell reference.
When you enter a mathematical statement into the cell, any cell can